Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. In the last video of second standard English, we have discussed Unit 4, right? So in this video, we are going to continue with second standard English, Unit 5. Okay, there is a lesson called Adopt a Pet. Okay, then we have a poem, The Furry Home. What is the lesson name? Adopt a Pet, and the poem name is The Furry Home. Okay, so we are going to complete unit 5 in this video. So let's start. Okay, before we begin with the lesson, you can see here there are some pictures of animals, right? So let us listen to one story here. There is a story given. Can you believe a cat can respond emotionally to human sorrow? So here they are telling, can you believe like a cat? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಒಂದು ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನಂಬ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, this story appeared in the English magazine Tomorrow Bill. The cat was at home while his master was away on a trip. So there was a story, okay, which is being taken from the English magazine called as Tomorrow Bill. So what is happening in that story? There is a cat which was in home. His master went on a trip. Okay. The man was seriously injured in a railway accident during this trip. So what happened when he went for the trip? During that time, he got injured in an accident. He died a few days later in a hospital. So after he has taken to the hospital, in the hospital after a few days, he died. Okay. At the burial, the man's brother was shocked to see Bill at the burial site. So, in the funeral site, okay, in the burial site, what happened? That man's brother came and he was shocked. Why he was shocked? To see this cat in that site. Okay, the faithful cat had traveled to the faraway hospital gravesite, looked at the coffin with tears in its eyes, and then had returned home. So he was shocked to see that that cat has traveled from the home to this hospital gravesite, and it is looking at that coffin, at his owner, and it is filled its eyes with tears, and it went back to home. So is this not an example of animal love towards humans? Yes. So that cat has loved his owner, right? It has emotionally attached with its owner. So we have to adopt a. Okay, let us see the lesson. Adopt a pet. Okay, in this story there is a girl called as Mona. Okay, Mona likes the local zoo very much. Okay, so hope you know zoo. So where the animals and birds were kept, right? So Mona likes the zoo very much and she enjoys visiting it. It has different kinds of animals in it. Yes, of course. The zoo will have different kinds of animals, chimpanzees, gorillas, yes, tiger, lion, all types of animals will be there in the zoo. Yes, the animals do not live in cages but in the places they are used to. So if you have visited a zoo means there you can see the animals were not kept in the cages. Okay, they will be kept in the place where they used to live. Yes, the surrounding, how they used to live, the same place will be created in the zoo. Okay, the zoo makes these places for them. For example, an ice machine makes the penguins' swimming pool very cold, making it suitable for them. So here they are given an example of penguins. So penguins love to swim in the very cold water. So to make the water very cold, there is an ice machine in the zoos which will make that pool very cold. Okay. So here one example they have given about what? Penguins. Remember it? Mona enjoys watching the chimpanzees. Okay. They live in a cage with trees, caves, rocks, and a small lake. Okay, so how does the chimpanzee surrounding look like? So it lives in cage, and in that cage you will be able to see trees, caves, rocks, and small lake will be there. Okay, there are about 15 chimps, including 4 babies. So here she is explaining like number of chimpanzees which were there in that zoo. So there were total 15. Among 15, 4 were baby chimpanzees. Their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers. Yes, they feel secure because they have a similar atmosphere as in the forest. So in the forest also if you see chimpanzees they will be living in trees, caves, rocks and small lake near small lakes. So the same environment is created in the zoo so that they can adapt to that surrounding. Okay. So this paragraph explains about chimpanzees. Okay, next let us see. Mona also likes watching birds in the aviary. So aviary is a place where all the birds will be kept. Okay. An aviary is a small forest with a wire net over and around it. The birds can fly about and build their nests in the trees. So it is like a there will be a net at a taller distance. There will be a net. So within that only the birds can fly and enjoy. Okay, the birds can fly about and build their nest in the trees. Many of the birds are very beautiful. Some, like the pelicans, are very large birds. So in this story, they are explaining about what? Pelicans, which are very large birds. An aviary can accommodate bigger birds also. A variety of birds are seen here. It is interesting to observe their movements in it. So in this zoo, where the monarch went, here we can see a large number of birds. The zoo needs money to feed the animals. Yes, so the zoo needs what? Money to feed the animals. So if you have heard, so whatever the zoos we have like Mysore Zoo, all the different kinds of zoo we have, so all the zoo needs what? Money. Why? Because that zoo management has to feed the animals, right? What happens here? Some people adopt animals and pay for their food. So whenever some people visit that zoo and they like that particular animal, they will adopt that pet and they will be giving the money to the zoo so that they can feed that animal. Okay, so like that Mona has adopted a she sends rupees 20 every month to the zoo to pay for the monkey's food. Okay, here Mona has also adopted a animal in that zoo. Which is that animal? Small monkey. And she will be giving 20 rupees to the zoo every month so that they can feed this small monkey. She wanted to adopt a tiger. Tiger need meat every day. To provide food for them would be very expensive. So actually she wanted to adopt whom? She wanted to adopt a tiger, but tiger will be eating what? Meat every day. So it will be bit costly, expensive, but she's a small girl. So that's why she adopted monkey and she will be giving 20 rupees every month. Yes, but some among you, like your parents, can also adopt a pet, right? Monkeys eat nuts and fruits which are cheaper. So Mona adopted a monkey, right? Whereas the monkey will be eating small fruits and nuts it can eat, right? It is a bit cheaper, so Mona adopted a monkey. Understood? So here Mona was a little girl who adopted a small monkey. So like that, kids, you can also like adopt small pets and you can try to feed them, give your love to those animals. They will also in return will be saving you. Okay? Will be have an emotional connect with you. So let us learn some new words in this lesson. First one is cage. Okay? Then cave, then lake, adapt, expensive. So these are some of the new words. Okay, let us try to answer the following questions. Okay, which place does Mona like? Mona likes the local zoo very much. What does it have? It has different kinds of animals in it. Name the things in the cages for the chimpanzees. So, in the chimpanzees where they were living, what were there? They live in a cage with trees, caves, rocks, and a small lake. Okay. Where are the birds kept? Birds are kept in aviary. Birds are kept in aviary. Next, we have to mark right or wrong. Okay. Animals in the zoo live in places they are used to. Is it true or false? Yes. In the zoo, the animals will be living in the places where they are used to live. So that is true. Chimps carry their babies wherever they go. Yes. They will be carrying their babies wherever they go. In an aviary, the birds cannot build their nest. It's false. They can build their nest. Okay. Adopting animals means paying for their food. It is also wrong. Yes, some one way it is correct, but also some people will be having the habit of adopting the animals. Okay. You can also consider this as right for this chapter. Okay. Look at the pictures and write their names. One is done for you. So here one diagram they have given and they have given the name of it. It is a nest. Second picture, what is it? It is a chimpanzee. Then third one is lake. Fourth one is birds. And last one is a cage. Hope it is clear. Okay, fill in the missing letters to spell the words. One is done for you. So here there are some underlines, some words are missing. You have to fill them. Here, first one is what? Enjoy. 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 Second one, pelican. Pelican is the largest bird in that zoo, right? PELICAN. Pelican. Then third one is watch. 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 Then fourth one is monkey. 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 Then fifth one is kangaroo. 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 Then sixth one is penguin. 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 Then seventh one we have adopt. 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 Then eighth one expensive. EXPENSIVE. SIVE, expensive. Okay, kids? Let us use the words. One is done for you. There is a cool pool for the penguin in aviary picture. Okay. Now, Mona has adopted what? A small monkey, right? So write it here, monkey. Dash is a large bird in the cage, pelican, right? In a zoo, Dash also live, chimpanzees also live. Okay, here we have to match the picture by drawing lines, okay? Elephant where you can see here, right? So mark it. Then penguin, then apples, then ball, okay? Then where do you see fruit here? Fruit is here. Then toy, then bird, then animal. Clear? Okay, now find the six animals or birds hidden in the table. So one they have done for us, that is tiger they have shown. So tiger you can see it here. The next we can see lion, lion is here. Then owl, owl you can see here. Then we have got hen, hen is here. Then we have got pig, you can see pig here. Then deer you can see here. Okay. Now we have to circle the odd one out. So one example they have given here, kitty, kitten, cub, puppy, egg. Egg is the odd one they have removed. Next, adopted, watched, wanted and built. This one I have a doubt. I will let you know in the upcoming lesson. Okay. Then in the next one, penguins, monkeys, tigers, chimps. It is penguins. It is the odd one. Then live, like, enjoy, very. So these three are a bit similar thing, whereas very is the odd one out here. Complete the passage using is or are. Abhi's house is close to the zoo. The school has holidays now, so Abhi is in the zoo. His teacher is with him. They are now going to the aviary. There are many nests in it. Okay. Complete the passage by filling the blanks using the words given in the bracket. There are two types of aviaries, the full standing and the suspended. Aviaries get dirty quickly. Full flight aviary is roomy and easy to clean. Keeping birds as pets is a good hobby. It can be beautiful and fun. So that completes the lesson, kids. Okay, adopt a pet. And now let's go to the poem, The Furry Home. Okay, so here there's something called furry. Furry means like if you can see the shoes, right? So shoes, inside that there will be a fur, that item, what it is called as a fur. Okay, so here they are explaining about a mouse. Okay, if I were a mouse and wanted a house, I think I would choose my new red shoes. So here you can assume like a kid is saying that if I am a mouse, okay, if I were a mouse and I need a house, so I will choose what? I will choose my new red shoes. Why? Because it is having furry edges, fur inside, and it is a good place to hide. And there is no tension of traveling. Like if you see mouse, they will be moving here and there, like from this place to another place, like they will be switching, they have to travel, they have to roam here and there for food, everything they have to do. Small mouse you have seen in your house, right? They will be roaming lot. But if I get my shoes, I can stay inside. No need to travel, no need to roam. I can sit in my furry home. That is what in this poem they are telling. Okay. If I were a mouse and wanted a house, I think I would choose my new red shoes. Furry edges, fur inside, what a lovely place to hide. I would not travel, I would not roam, just sit in my furry home. So this poem is written by J.M. Westrop. Okay, let us understand and enjoy. Tick the right answer, one is done for you. Cat, mouse, snail. In this poem, they are telling about mouse. So they have ticked this. Next, if so, he would live in what? The shoes. Right. Then the color of his house would be red shoes. His house would be cold and rough, soft and furry, small and dirty. It is soft and furry. Okay. Find two pairs of rhyming words in the poem. House, shoes they have given. Okay. Like that, mouse, choose. Like for house, you can write mouse, house, mouse. Shoes, choose. Okay. Next, we have to rearrange these words. Okay. This side arranges. We have to arrange them. Okay. On our wrist, we will be having watch. On our hands, we will have gloves. Then on our head, cap. Let us use the words. Find words that start with sh and ch. They have given example. Sheep. Ch. Cheaps. Okay. Like that you have to do here. List four words that start with sh. Sheep. Show. Shine. Share. So these are some four examples I have given. List four words that end with sh. Fish. Cash. Push. Dish. List four words that start with ch. Chair, champion, chimpanzee, chain. List four words that end with ch. Coach, watch, stitch, hatch. Okay. Okay, so here the poem will also get finished. Okay. So hope you understood the lesson and the poem. Okay. In the next video, we will continue with the unit 6. Till then, take care, read the lesson and the poem. Try to understand one more time. Go through this video again. So try to understand the story, kids. Okay. We will continue in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe. Bye bye.